Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of skincare and a face mask. So if you'd like to see what all I use and do, well, just keep on watching. Are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a mature self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to teach tutorials, techniques, routines, skincare, and unboxings and reviews. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now let's get into this. For the first thing, I just got out of the shower and I've been using this once a week, the Saturday Skin. It is the Rub-a-Dub-Dub Refining Peel Gel. It starts over by gently rubbing dullness away, and I'm liking this a lot. So I hadn't used this in a week, and I'm going to use this, and then we're going to do a face mask. So it just says to put over a clean face and no need to wet. So you do this in circular motions for 1 minute. And what it does is it just kind of pulls the excess dead skin and things like that away. And after you do this for 1 minute, then you rinse it off, but you have to go in circular motions. Good thing to do circular motions in skincare. You can see all of that right there. Now some of this is still the Saturday Skin. I've got some really dry skin right here. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off and I'll be right back. A little bit of warm water in my sink for this mask so it wouldn't be so cold. But I've been wanting to use this for a long time, but it's the Win Last Choice Biocellulose Mask. And I've already read the back. Now you have to leave this on for 30 minutes. So what I'll do is I will apply this, and then if I can, without the mask slipping off, I will go make my bed, because I changed my sheets. Well, I took off my dirty sheets and washed those today. And then I'll come back if it will allow me to do that. So this is the mask. It has a nice scent. It's not overpowering. And it says it's got 3 layers in here. So there's a top layer, which this right here isn't the mask. Oh, these dogs. And then underneath that layer, there's a back layer. And that's not the mask. You use what's in the middle. My hands can get a hold of it. There we go. Oh wow, that's kind of cool looking. There's the mask. Oh wow, this doesn't feel like the paper masks usually do. Oh, and it smells nice. This feels nice. I've been dying to use this. I think I might have one more back there. I think I had two and I brought one in here so I could use it with y'all. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. There we go. Don't want to get that in my eyes. Oh wow, this feels really nice. I probably will let this sit the entire time. That's how nice it feels. All right, now I'm going to take my jade thing. Just kind of get this on. Oh, he's out underneath the house. What is he doing? Oh, he's in his toolbox. Sounds like a cat playing with a little ball under there. Oh, it's the water hose. Must have been screwing that on. I wished I had one of those plastic ones I could put over top of this to hold it down while I move around. Okay, so first off, first impressions of this mask, love it. Just because of the way it feels, it doesn't feel cheap like those paper masks. The smell feels really good. So we're gonna let this sit for as long as Belinda can let it sit. Let's just put it that way. She's a little bit impatient sometimes, so she it's already coming up. As long as I can let it sit, I'll let it sit. If I can let it sit the whole time, then I will be back in 30 minutes. So, see you then. Okay guys, we're back. I left this on for the full 30 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Let me say, I really like how this feels. I really like how this feels. I'm just gonna take and press some of this on my neck and the chest area. Just press it in because there's a lot still in it. It feels really, really nice. And this is for really dry skin. It says on the back of the package. When your skin feels dry, quench its thirst with Win, the last choice. So yeah, I really like this, and I think I'm gonna try to purchase some more because it was very relaxing. I didn't feel it slipping off my face like the paper ones do. So I really, really like that. Okay, I'm just gonna give my face a second to dry. And then I'm gonna go in with my, it looks like it's empty, but I'm telling you, I will cut this open to get the last little bit of the contents out and on my face because it's that good. And it is the Mary Kay Time Wise Age Minimized 3D Night Cream. Find you a Mary Kay lady, people. I used to sell it, but I don't sell it anymore. but I still do buy it because it's amazing. I do use other stuff, but you know, I like my night cream and my day cream, and a little goes a long way. I put too much up there. And I especially like to put it on my neck and chest area. People like to ask me, what's my secret? Well, I have been using Mary Kay for, I think I was in my early, I started when I was 16. Playing around with Mary Kay products, and then when I was in my 20s, I started buying it by the, the whole kit in the roll bags. They still have those roll bags, by the way. I still have several, but yeah, I've been using it on and off for years, so I guess that's my secret. Mary Kay. And good jeans. Thank you, Mama. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you liked this video and this little Mask Monday. If you have not tried this, I highly suggest you try it. It is an amazing mask. This is good too. It's already skin. All right, guys. I will see you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, well then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. I'll see you in the next one.